Okay, so this is the first section of the CFA Level 1 quantitative methods, and the concept is of time value of money. And in this concept, we're trying to figure out what is called present value and future value. So the concept would be, would you prefer £1,000 today or £1,000 1 year later? And obviously, you would rather have the £1,000 today because if you put the money in a fixed rate savings account in the bank or you invest it assuming that you don't lose, you will always get more money than you had to begin with. And the reason why we do this is to beat inflation. The simple concept is money grows over time, assuming that you put it in a positive interest account. So the core ideas are present value. That would be what is future money worth today, and then there's the future value. So what will today's money be worth in the future? And on the next page, we're going to discuss a real-world example. Okay, so let's say we're employer in the bank, and a customer comes in and decides to deposit 5,000 into a fixed rate savings account that pays 4% annual interest rate. No withdrawals or deposits allowed before the 1 year term matures. And what will be the account balance once the term matures? Okay, so in this question we're asking, what is the future value in this scenario? And the formula would be future value equals present value times 1 plus the interest rate. We should express the interest rate as a decimal out of 100, and our present value in this instance would be £5,000. Our rate is 0.4, which is the same as, my mistake there, 0.04, which is the same as 4%, and our time would be 1 year. Thus our equation would be future value equals 5,000 times 1 plus 0.04 to the power of 1. And we can calculate that on a calculator, or we can do a simple calculation on paper, which would be 5,000 divided by 100, which equals 50. That would be 1%, and then to find 4%, we have to multiply by 4, which would give us 200. 200 is just the interest on the 5,000 alone, so we should add the principal. 5,000 plus 200 equals 5,200. Thus, our future value will be £5,200. So, it's quite simple, this concept of present value, future value, and time value of money. It's all about calculating how much money will be worth in the future, given a particular scenario.